Hi everybody, here's a video about doohickeys. Here's a video that I'm going to show how to use the ABBA stand, and specifically for the Z900RS. This is a 2018 model, and let me just show you how things work. So here is the ABBA stand. It's a great product, comes out of the UK. I ordered this, just the basic stand. You can order another piece that actually has wheels that you can roll the bike around and get it up to a working level. So I want to show how the stand actually attaches to the bike. It comes with all of these pieces. As you can see, you've got the left side, the right side, and then these inserts that are bike specific. This actually is just a cover for the threads here on this side, on the right side. So that goes on like that. And then for the right side of the bike, you just insert this in here, and the left side of the bike, we insert that in there. Just keep an eye on that to make sure it doesn't fall out. Take this step by step. We'll start with the left side of the stand. So we're going to take this around the left side. We're pros here. And we want to put it to where it's leaning back towards the back of the bike. And if you can see here, this insert is going to go into this bolt side there. So you want to put it in the stand. As I said, there are specific sizes for your bike, so make sure that when you order this, that you order the right size for your bike. Put that there. We're going to slide that into that bolt head. Again, having the stand leaning toward the back of the bike. Okay, now we'll go to the right side. And same operation, except taking the right side. We want to slide this part of the stand onto the left side of the stand, and we want to align this insert where that bolt head is. So make sure that's engaged all the way. I want to hold that to make sure that's still held together. I always go to the back over to the left side of the bike and make sure that this is all the way in where it needs to go. It's all the way against the bolt head, and then back to the right side of the bike. And we're going to tighten this screw here all the way down. Okay. Now we're ready to put the bike up onto the stand. So on this side, we want to lift the bike up so it's up off of the kickstand. I always put the kickstand up, pull the handle up, hang on to the bike with your left hand. That's what makes sense to me. And then take the handle and push it forward until it is all the way up onto the stand. And there we have it. Okay, now we'll go ahead and take the bike back down off of the stand. Same operation in reverse. Pull the handle up all the way. Pull it back towards the back of the bike. And make sure to put your kickstand down. Okay, go ahead and lean the bike down onto the kickstand. And then come to the right side of the bike. Loosen this thumb screw here. And then you can pull it out, all the way out. And then the same on the right side of the bike. And just pull it up and out. And that's it. Great product, like I said, and a great bike. Thanks.